Hello guys, today we will show you how to assemble the Steelabs BF Mech mod. This is the box you will receive. Here's the 3D printed body. You can download it as a free model on our website. You can have it printed by one of the many 3D printing services available online. And be aware that this model has been designed for SLS 3D printing and your mileage may vary. Next, we have a Goldilocks bottle in its sterile packaging and all the other components needed for assembly. A 22mm flatter with the insulator already installed, and the big counter nut. A rhodium plated contact with locking mechanism and pin. The bottom silver plate and the top silver plate. Finally, 5 magnets. The tools you will need are a 10mm wrench, a thin screwdriver, head type doesn't matter, a rhodium contact assembly tool, a 510 assembly tool, something to measure the silicone bottle tubing length, and a pair of scissors to cut it. The first thing you need to do is screwing the 510 tool onto the flatter. Then insert the screwdriver into the hole, holding the tool, and tighten the nut with the wrench. Take the mod body and insert the top silver plate. Then insert the big counter nut. Now screw the flatter all the way into the counter nut. To properly tighten it, use the wrench. To take off the 510 tool, insert the screwdriver into the hole again. Holding the screwdriver and the mod, loosen the nut with the wrench. And unscrew the tool. Next is the rhodium contact. Start screwing it in by hand. Then finish tightening it with the rhodium assembling tool. As you can see, the locking feature is spinning freely how it should. Now, to insert the bottom silver plate, you can see there is a little hook behind the bottom. Slide the plate behind the hook, then slide it down and secure it to the body. To insert the magnets in the door, you just need to slide them in. No glue required. they will be held firmly in place by the 3D printed features in the door. As you can see, they won't come off with shaking. The bottle tube must be cut to a 56 mm length. Insert it into the bottle's cap from the top. Now insert the steel pin into the bottom of the tube. And you're done. Okay, now let's try the mod. Lower the 510 pin. Remember, the threading is left hand. Screw on your ATI. Then adjust the pin from inside the Squonk hole. You will need a 1.5 mm hex key for that. You can also do it normally from the top. This is just a bonus tip. Then insert the battery. And here you can see the locking function work. You just need to turn it. Finally, insert the bottle with your favorite juice. And the assembly is done.